Welcome to a world where you are not constrained by time nor space.
They're in dishwashers, they're in ovens, they're in calculators, obviously in computers and telephones. They're everywhere because they're useful, they're doing things.
Chips are everywhere because they give machines the ability to perform repetitive mechanical tasks perfectly.
Intel. For decades, the name was synonymous with the cutting edge of computing. Intel Inside was a mark of quality and power.
Many of you mock my interest in the pastry sciences.
What do you have inside?
But in recent years, the chip giant has stumbled, ousting its CEO and handing the keys to a Silicon Valley legend, Lip-Bu Tan. This isn't just a corporate shakeup, it's a high-stakes response to immense pressure from two fronts, a ruthless market and the White House that is watching Intel's every move. Today, we're exploring the story of Intel's struggle and its ambitious comeback. At its core, Intel is a company that designs and manufactures microprocessors, the brains of computers and data centers. For a long time, they were the leader in both design and manufacturing. This opened the door for competitors like AMD to eat into their market share.
AMD Ryzen 499.
And for companies like NVIDIA to dominate the booming AI chip market. Intel has been a story of frustration for many investors. The stock has seen significant declines, especially when you compare it to the meteoric rises of competitors. Wall Street's take on Intel is very cautious at this point. The consensus rating from many analysts is still hold. There is a wait-and-see approach underway, it seems. The bull case is that Intel's turnaround plan, which includes becoming a major foundry and manufacturing chips for other companies, will unlock massive value. Bear case, on the other hand, is that they are too far behind and the competition is just too fierce. First, let's talk about the man in the Oval Office, President Trump. His America First industrial policy isn't just a slogan, it's the central pillar of his economic agenda. And Intel is now front and center.
Intel has been left behind, as you know. Intel was the biggest, most powerful chip company in the world. They started leaving. And they started going to foreign countries, in particular Taiwan.
The administration is pouring billions from the CHIPS Act directly into Intel's domestic factories.
It's about $10 billion for the. I don't get it. This comes to the United States of America.
Viewing the company as a designated quote-unquote national champion in the tech war against China. But this support comes with a price and immense pressure. The White House wants results, not promises. They want American-made chips in every data center, a clear victory in the AI race, and they want it now. Billions in government subsidies are flowing into Intel's new fabs in Arizona and Ohio. The political tailwind is strong. The message from Washington is clear. A strong Intel is a matter of national security. This political backing is fueling Intel's most audacious move, becoming a world-class foundry. The plan is to manufacture the world's most advanced chips for other companies, even rivals. They landed some contracts, but the critical question remains, can they compete with the undisputed king in this space, Taiwan's TSMC, on technology and efficiency? Many on Wall Street are skeptical, and it's a major reason the stock, INTC, has struggled to keep pace this year with its high-flying peers. While NVIDIA stock has become synonymous with the AI boom, Intel has been weighed down by massive multi-billion-dollar cost overruns of this manufacturing pivot. Investors are asking, where is the immediate payoff? And that brings us to the second front of this war, artificial intelligence. Intel largely missed the initial AI wave, allowing NVIDIA's GPUs to become the engine of the revolution. Now they're fighting to get back in the game with their Gaudi line and AI accelerators.
Critics are calling it an impressive Gen AI performance. Let the AI acceleration begin. Intel Gaudi 3, the AI accelerator. Coming to a tech stack near you.
They are aggressively undercutting NVIDIA on price, trying to offer a viable, cost-effective alternative. The market is desperate for competition for NVIDIA's dominance. But is cheaper enough?
I'm Jensen Huang. I'm the president and CEO of NVIDIA.
NVIDIA is 8% of the S&P 500. Do we go to
NVIDIA's powerful ecosystem and performance advantage have been incredibly difficult to break. This is the make or break fight for Intel's relevance in data centers. What's the future for Intel? It's a tale of two realities. On one hand, you have a company backed by the full weight of the US government and industrial policy, a strategic asset in tech rivalry with China. On the other hand, you have a business facing brutal competition and years of execution risk before its grand vision can be realized. It's a company pinned between the expectations of a demanding president.
I think the United States should be given 10% of Intel.
Investing in Intel today isn't just a bet on a company, it's a bet on a national project, a subsidized, undervalued giant on the cusp of a historic turnaround. The bears, on the other hand, see a company spending billions just to try to catch up. The next 18 months will be critical. Can Intel finally deliver on its promises and prove that this American icon can not only survive, but dominate the new era of tech? Let us know what you think down below in the comments.
Subscribe for more trading primers.